How to sell digital products on Pinterest. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Pinterest with selling your digital products. It is a very simple and self-explanatory. This is Pinterest. You have to create your own account using the Google or your email address. You have to create your business account. You can of course create your personal account, then you come to this section and make it a business account. This is very simple. The next step is to choose a niche that you are going to work with. For example, let's take a niche of my creation, my choosing or my creation that I have made a diversity for it, which is the training and the nutrition plan in the same time. Let's take an example for the summer body program. This is it is summer and everyone wants a summer body to go with without a gym or without a high effort. For example, there are people that have a lot of things to do home or outside home that they can't go to the gym, that they can't afford time to go to the gym. So what you have to do is to create a program for them so they will be making exercises at home with no gym. I mean exercise at home, because we can't make a great body or great body shape without exercise, because the food or the nutrition plan will not be sufficient. So we will create a training program at home and a nutrition plan. But before we proceed to this digital product, because this nutrition plan with the home practice is or home training, it is considered a digital product. So you will go, for example, on Canva and make this plan or this idea with an ebook. This is the template that we are going to work with. For example, this is the ebook. I like the style of this ebook. I want to make it my own. I will go with, for example, summer, like this, summer body, like this, with no gym. This is the title that we are seeking for. I will make it bold. You can create your own product. Excited to announce, for example, or buy your copy right now. This part will go right here. This one, for example, and put it right here. And now this is the preview of the ebook. You have your ebook link. For example, you can add multiple pages and make the ebook right here. You can put the page 1 for the training, the page 2 for the for example, you can put the page 2 for the receipts. You can put the page 2 for the recipes, etc, etc, and you have the ebook. Now let's go and download the first image. Now we have the PNG file that we have to download. You can put it on a pin. This is a pin that I have created. This is the pin creator. You can click on the Pinterest logo right here, and then you go to the create section, create a pin. This is very simple. You click on this. You have to upload your file that is now it hasn't. Okay, I don't need the whole copy. I only need the image or the first page. I will click on this page, done, and will download this. I will go directly to the Pinterest. I will wait for the download to be done. We click on here. We have the pin that we have created. This is the summer body with no gym. Buy your copy now. We click here and make the title like this, summer body, like this, summer body with no gym. This is the title, and the description that we can make: summer body with no gym, a digital, for example, book that will help you to lose and gain a great, for example, body shape for summer, like this. You can put the tags and everything in order. Here for the link, you can go with the link of the ebook. You can, for example, upload your ebook or make the landing page of the ebook. I suggest you to go with Google Sites, which is a very great page or website builder to make a product page or a landing page in just a click. This is an example of a landing page that I have created. This is the example. This is my landing page. This is the description, for example. These are the products that I am, for example, selling. I will go and replace this image, or make I pay or insert an image, or go with a content block, whole content block. I will put the image and the description under the image. I will go and upload an image, the image of the right here of the digital product. I can, for example, make my digital product uploaded to a website. I will create a paying page, or I have a, for example, an affiliate marketing or affiliate link. I can add from here a button which is a buy now button. I will click and link here the website that will redirect them to pay the product. For example, let's go with any type of website. Let's go with this page, for example. Let's copy the link for the sake of the video. It is not the exact thing. I will put the buy now button right here. Where is it? I will put it right here. I can edit this text box, or I can delete it, and this is the another description box that you can make, and buy your now. It will redirect them directly to the website that are created. For the second method is in order to proceed or get some attention and grow your audience, you can create a blog. You can create a blog using the Canva website editor, for example, or website creator. You can see that you can search here and make the website like this. You can search on the search bar, or create like this. You can go with the website. You can create a blank website, or you can go with the project or the templates that are given with the Canva. You can go to canva.com, type, for example, website like this, and it will show up the templates that will go with the website theme. Can select one, customize it, and you will get it. I have created a website. You can make your own. It is very easy. I have created multiple websites using Canva. It is free. You can get up to 5 URLs or links to your website. This is an example of the website that I have created. You can make the blog. Then you can link, put multiple photos in the theme of the keto diet, for example, or sports, or everything like this. Then you can put the product and make the buy now button like this. Then you have to publish your website. It is very easy and very self-explanatory. And then the website URL, you can make the website URL. You can copy it directly from Canva and go here to this page, and then you can paste it right here on the post, then publish it. This is not the published version. We can click on publish. This is all good. It can be published in a few seconds. We can see here the publication, or the post, or the pin that we have created. It will be redirecting us to the website that we have made. or that we have created, and here are the titles and description. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you on the next one.